Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
What is up, you guys? What's up, what's up, what's up? How's everybody doing today for London session? Well, pre-London. We're in pre-London right now. I probably won't trade too long today. I'm pretty tired. But I do already have some things ready to go. So I will explain the story that I see here. But first of all, thank you to Blue Guardian and Trading Nut sponsors. What's up, man? We're using Blue Guardian for our prop firm. I am on phase 1. I'm currently close to passing. So let's see if we can do the damn thing. And then I'll move on to phase 2. And yeah, so let's show a little bit more my metrics. It says 600 trades, but that's because I put in multiple positions, not just one position. So yeah, this is not right, to be honest. This average losing and winning, that doesn't even make sense to me, to be honest, but whatever. But here we go. So let's go over onto the charts. Alright guys, so if you are new here, I like to trade my 4-hour opens. Okay, so this 4-hour obviously looks like it's about to close, so I'm going to look for a retest. It's closing above this previous 4-hour resistance right here. So I'm going to be looking for a retest back to this resistance that it just closed at, and then I will probably execute. So I'm going to go ahead and put some buy limits at 2378.6. 7. Hold on, let me do that really quickly. I'm assuming that this will fill the rest of the range up to this last high at 2386.6. So that'll be my one trade, and then I see pretty much the upside. This is our target. Seems like this daily supply zone right here. It's also a 4-hour, but this is drawn on for the daily. But I believe this is our target where price is trying to go to in this bullish market right now. Okay, so let me put my buy limits really quickly. I'm not putting a stop loss just yet, but I'm going to go ahead and assume that I'm going to be risking at least like 40 pips. But I got to see where this next 4-hour candle decides to make its low at 37.6. $23.86. All right, so also, oops, come over here. Break above here on the daily, we have all this clean range up here. All this clean range if we look left. Okay, we closed heavily bullish yesterday. I wouldn't say heavily bullish, but we left a nice wick fill for this next daily candle to do. So yeah, if we break past here, then our next target is here, 23,405.8. This is a daily supply. So this 4-hour candle just opened. It's going up first. I would really like to see these highs taken, these previous daily highs taken out first before I consider sells in the market. So 23.86. Just gonna set my limit. If it's not gonna come back down, I'm gonna set my limit to see what this does. I mean, alerts to see what it does. Here is the dashboard that I use for Blue Guardian. It's Match Trader. Yeah, how's everybody doing? Did anybody get in on that trade for Asian session at 2371? Because that was literally the entry from yesterday, and it happened again. The same entry happened again. Let's see something. Well, this hourly barely closed. I mean, it didn't have a bottom wick. So this is also an hourly resistance right here. I'm gonna watch how this lower time frame reacts to this hourly resistance level. If it decides to break above it and close on the 5, I'll probably just go ahead and just get into some buys. But right now, it did break this top wick, so I could get into buys and put my stops right below here at 2381. The fact that it did break this top wick, it could just fill out the rest of this range here. But we have resistance right here on the 1 hour, so let's see what happens. I didn't get in yet. That's just a possibility. Let me look at the movement. Where was your entry? I had an entry yesterday from 2368, and then I had some sales at 2371, but then I closed like off stream and got into buys. But I did explain if this 4 hour closes above a certain level, then buys are valid. So I didn't just leave my peoples hanging. But it looks like it could potentially try to reach this previous daily high all the way up here at 2406. But will it break out of here today? I don't know. I have no idea. We'll see. Go ahead and grab a buy, guys. Stops are going to be below this low here, this 4 hour low, 2381.93. I'm just going to target these daily highs, but I'm going to watch for this 1 hour resistance, but it could just bust through it. So let's see what happens. So I'm risking literally like $120. It's just the fact that this 4 hour broke its own high first, and it's not really coming back down that much. I'll probably go break even really quickly after this purple line is hit or touched, just to minimize my risk. Or we could start trickling down because we've been pushing up for so long, and this is a 1 hour resistance, so we'll see what happens. If it does flip, then I'm actually going to put a sell stop on the flip, 2381.9. Alright, I'm gonna get into sells, guys. Jumping into sells instead. Sells down to 2378. Why is my shit lagging? What's up, guys? Yeah, I just changed it. Changed my bias. Okay. Oops. And I'm gonna have a sell stop on the flip of this 2381.9. I don't trade GB. I don't trade GU, my bro. Sorry. He has come down here first still. Alright, so that just got activated. I'm up like let me do the math for that. I only need 8% and I'm up maybe like math. Like 3% away. I am 3% away from passing. Just gonna take this one trade and that's it, guys. Cause I'm tired. So if it hits, it hits. Probably shouldn't be trading anyway because I'm tired today. Pretty tired. I had a long day. I use candlesticks, candlestick patterns, wicks, opens. Liquidity. Oh. I should have waited for resistance to be formed on the higher time frame. I mean, on like 30-minute or 15 first. Got a little impulsive entry right here. I won't lie. But we are right here at this 1 hour resistance level. And we've been pushing up for a minute. So we could come down and grab some liquidity. Okay. Now watch this. Still expecting this high to be taken out. This wick fill on the daily. Yeah, I got in way too early. But it is what it is. Let's see how I can manage this. Okay. I'm gonna see what this is playing off of on the left. Daily. Okay, what's the weekly doing? Okay. This weekly has potential to break this previous weekly high at 23.92. Because we came down, looks like this weekly came down to grab all of this liquidity from this previous week so that we can continue bullish. So let me just rearrange my thoughts. Yeah, that was my assumption as well. Go up to make a new top wick for the 4 hour, then go down first. But I may have gotten a little too early. Because we could come and break these highs first and then start coming down. But I'm also looking at this, looking left at this resistance, right? So what the? Why did it take it away? Yeah. Oh, you sold at 23.79? Way earlier than I did. Yeah, gold loves top. It does love that, and also loves filling wicks and making wicks, and it loves wicks. Wicks. But if we can come down and break this 4 hour low, we have way more potential to continue pushing to the downside. Because now we have created our 4 hour top wick. 30 minute is about to close. Looks like it could have potential to close doji. 5 minutes seeming to bottom out. I mean, not bottom out, but you know, the opposite. So let's see what we have in store. For some reason, Match Trader works faster on my phone. I don't know why, but "30 minutes closing in 3 minutes." Yes, sir, I am. I will do both counter and follow the trend. It really just depends on the level, you know, and how it's been moving prior to a close. I usually trade 4-hour opens. That has been my bread and butter lately. Is trading off of the higher time frame because there's way more confluence, way more confirmations, way more just everything. Why did you enter at 23.79? I want to know why you entered there. Is it because you saw this candle on the 30 minute, or what did you see? What time frame did you enter on? Alright, so this 30 minute is closing in 20 seconds. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close doji. Boom. Okay. We're closing past this. We have this little resistance level right here. And on the 15, okay. Or I'm sorry, not resistance, support level that we have created right here on the 15. We created some support here. So we tried to create some resistance and some support at the same time. And it looks like bears have the potential of taking the markets. So let's see what happens. If this 5 can close below this 15 support level, we should see our potential to continue pushing down. Doji is not necessarily my entry signal, it's more of a confluence. I don't really know what bullish divergence is, my bro. I don't trade that. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. It's 5. Alright, so this is the second 5-minute candle of the 15-minute candle. Bro, go whatever percentage you want. Whatever you're comfortable with risking. If it's, you know, if it decides to not go in our favor. Yeah, it's saved. All of the lives that I've done have been saved. If you want to go and look at the Trading Nuts views, or not views, but Trading Nuts channel, they're also on my channel too. But let's see what happens, because these stops could get hit. If they get hit, I'm going to place a buy stop above 2383.4. And then I'm done for the day. If they get hit, then I'm just going to tell myself, always follow the trend, you know? It's probably best. It'd probably work out more in our favor to just follow the trend instead of trying to be a counter trend trader. We'll see what happens. But it looks like it's trying to push up here. Actually, if it hits my stops, I'm gonna be done trading, because that would be me taking 2 losses, but we'll see. Yesterday I had a really nice win though, and the day before, so like these losses, they're not really much, you know? Bears and Bulls are really fighting here, huh? Yeah, I'm literally only risking 15 pips. Like, Yeah, it could be pushing up because, like I said, we could come up and fill this daily wick first before we start seeing the downside, but because this could just be a fake out. This doji could just be a fake out. Early sellers, like myself included. And then another guy said he sold all the way down here at 23.79. Don't really know why he sold there, to be honest. If I lose this, I would have just lost the profits that I made yesterday. So, nothing major. Nothing major. I mean, when Powell talks, what happens every single time he talks? Fucking gold just likes to shoot the fuck up. So that could be an obvious bias, you know? That's what happened yesterday. Yeah, we've been pushing up for so long, man. And we're at a key level, resistance level right here. For me, at least. This is off of the 1 hour, this purple line, which is also a 30-minute resistance level, so... Now this 15 closed doji. If we can break past here, we are valid. We are valid. So let's see what we can do. If we can't break past there, then we are not valid, obviously. And then we're going to continue into buys and look for buys all the way up to fill this daily wick. First TP will be here at 2385.3, and then it will be all the way up here at 2386.7. But let's see what happens. My bad, guys. I was focusing on the charts for a little bit. Like, dang, you don't even give me a few minutes to answer the question. Jesus. But I'm using Blue Guardian as my prop firm. This is the sponsor that is sponsoring the Trading Nut and myself. I won a competition because they like the way I trade, so I got a sponsorship for a free 25k account and trading live on the Trading Nuts YouTube. I do this every day. Lately I have been really just kind of molding my own strategy, and I found that my most successful wins have been off of 4-hour opens and during London session, like pre-London and into London session. That's what I like trading the most that I've found. I used to trade on the lower time frames, like lower, but I found, you know, it lies way too much, so I'm gonna use the higher time frame as my confluence and then enter on the lower time frames. Honestly, I don't have to answer to your responses. So if you feel some type of way from me not answering, then that's you feeling some type of way. There's other traders on here that you can watch live. I'm doing this for me. It helps me to help you. I'm not a terrible trader. I am profitable, so don't get your panties in a twist. As soon as this candle breaks this low, I'm gonna go break even. Alright, I'm going to break it. I didn't even get a chance to go break even yet. I'll go break even in a second. I'll wait for this 5-minute candle to close, and then I will decide if that break even is still valid for me. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. What strategy am I using? It's kind of like my own strategy that I've put together from learning from other traders, from like Raja Banks, Don Vo, Wix9, Time to Eat Trading, Trading Geek. You know, it just kind of molds their strategies into how I see fit for myself. So, and it's been winning for me. Trading off the higher time frame has really increased my win percentage. My RR right now for Blue Guardian is a 0.6. So you can kiss my fucking ass, Louis. We'll see you on live. Wish I could like open this up. Excuse me. Waiting for this 5-minute. 1 hour is closing soon too. 1 hour looks like it's gonna be closing. Possible bullish. That's the last 5-minute candle of the 1 hour. Since we have been rejecting this area so much on the 5, I might get out of these sells and hop into the buys, but we'll see. Last 5-minute candle of the hour. Yeah, we need to create a higher low, right? But that doesn't mean it's gonna happen now. It could happen after we break the daily high, so I could be wrong and got in too early. Because the way that this 1 hour looks like it's closing, it looks like it's gonna close and break. Yeah. Hop out. I'm gonna hop out very soon. Yeah, let's see though, because if volume comes in, then we might be pushing up to break that daily high, that daily wick, and then start falling. So let's see what happens. Alrighty guys, I am also gonna just take a bite too. Alright. Closing most of it. I just closed most of it to minimize my risk a bit. Yep. So if it yeah, like I was saying, if it breaks this hourly support level, then yeah, we have clean traffic to push up to 2387. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes it's too early and that's okay, you know? Because we learn from our losses. That's the best way to fucking learn how to trade. I mean, we could even come up here, break this 1 hour high, and then start falling. Let's see something. Yeah, I love Raja's method. But he trades pretty much London, or he he trades pre-London, which is pretty much now. So Raja Banks would be waiting for a break of this level here, and he would probably target here and here. So I'm pretty sure he's more than likely looking for this trade, this break above this trade. Or a break below here, which would be the 15-minute. It still hasn't even hit my stops. Raja's method is pretty much a momentum method. It's a momentum strategy. It trades with volume and impulsive entries. Nice, bro. Yeah, I was in at 2371 yesterday, and I closed around 2378. My original TP was all the way up here, 2386, but I was happy with my profits. I think we're going down, my babies. Keep breaking lows. I love Raja Banks. That's crazy that Don bought his course because they were in a pretty heavily heated argument not too long ago. I actually used Raja's strategy and flipped my personal account from like 1K to 3K within a month. It was amazing. I was so happy. I was like, wow, I can't believe this actually fucking worked. But yeah, since then, I do like his strategy. I also bought his MT5 simulator, so I need to practice a little more on that one though. But alright, so you see how we're creating this range here even on the 1 minute? We are pretty much creating a range here. Yeah, Raja Banks is funny. He doesn't take any shit from people on YouTube Live. That's where I'm gonna learn how to talk to people from YouTube Live is through Raja Banks, bro. Raja Banks. Alright, so I'm gonna grab a buy and put my stops below. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this position fully. JK, I'm not gonna change my bias. If it hits my stops, it hits my stops. It's okay. There's more trades to take. There's things to learn from. But yeah, I'm just gonna go with it. Because we are struggling here. We're struggling both ways. We just need a little bit of volume. I just kind of want to move my stops, but I don't at the same time. Oh, stops finally got hit. Alright, I'm gonna take a buy. We're targeting 28.78. I'd be fucking around with you guys. I'd be fucking around with you guys big time. But yeah, I'm gonna take a buy and put my stops below here at 23.82, so another 10 pip risk. Let me see how this reacts here, right here on this 1 minute. No? Let me see how it reacts. Am I gonna take a buy, or are these sells valid? The stops just got hit. But like I said, we could have taken out these 1 minute highs and then just start retracing. So let's see if that happens. So yeah, it's pretty much, this is the resistance on the 1, right? We're struggling to push up because we've been pushing up for so long. We need some type of liquidity grab. So I'm gonna go for the shorts again. And now I'm gonna put my stops. Just came up, broke that high, instantly rejected. So now I'm gonna put my stops above here. I'm going for the shorts again, guys. What is this? Alright, last trade of the night, and then I'm done. 23.83. I can stop gambling, bro. Ain't nobody gambling. If I was gambling, bro, I wouldn't have a certain stop loss. I'm not just going in and out. I'm going based off of levels. I'm going based off of how the candle is moving, how it's opening, how it's forming. Bro. A lot of these traders, you guys like become profitable and then forget where you started. Ain't nobody gambling over here, bro. If I was gambling, I would have moved my stops. Based off of you. I don't trade like you, and you don't trade like me, obviously. You're still on the live session, though. I don't have anything to prove to you, my guy. So, you gonna kiss my ass or what? Now we just broke this low, this 1 hour low, previous 1 hour low. Let's see, let me look at the 5 here. This previous 1 hour low is right here on the 5. The close past here, it should be valid. Sure. Exactly. All these damn traders out here and you decide to come out here and talk shit. Like, bro, get the fuck out of here. That's what Rajah Banks would say. He'd be like, bro, get the fuck out of here. He's like, if you don't like this session, you can get the fuck out. Rajah always says shit like that. He is so fucking funny. He doesn't take shit from nobody. And neither should you guys. This looks great. I think I'm gonna add a little position here. Came back to retest this breaker structure on the 5. Okay. I'm targeting here because this is previously where the 4 hour broke out from and we never came back to retest. So I'm targeting 2378.6. The one from yesterday, so yesterday I did say before I got off of the live, if the 4 hour closed past the previous daily high, then I was closing my sales and I was going into buys. So that's what I did. And yes, I did win that session. I got in from 2371 point something and I closed at 2378 point something. No, I see other streamers show their live terminal. Like Time to Eat Trading he's good. He shows his stuff all the time. probably come here. Crazy ass fucking cat. Nice. I want to see this level taken out. I want to see this resistance right here. Where's the damn... Alright, whatever. This previous 30-minute resistance that it broke past. Go break even. It tapped here. Breaking its own high on the 15, but this 30 is about to close in 7 minutes. Raja Banks will wait for the 30 to close. He probably wouldn't have gotten in yet either. He probably would have gotten in after this 30-minute closes past this support level. I don't know. I see moves and I could scalp. However, sometimes scalping fucks me up off of unrealized profits. So I could have closed some partials. So I might do that. But we'll see what happens. where this line came from. Really? Scalping makes me feel more nervous. Cause I'm just like, I don't want to get 10 pips and dip. I understand that it is profitable, but like, I don't know, I've tried scalping. Alright, so this is flipping. This 30 seems to be flipping. I mean, not the 30. What was I just looking at? 15. The 15 is flipping. We got 5 more minutes for the 15-minute to close and the 30-minute to close. If it can close past here, I would feel more confident to continue down. If this 30 doesn't close past here, then I'll probably close my position and call it a night. Holding overnight, yeah, it has the interest fees, but you win a lot. I literally held a position, was it last week? I think it was, no, I think it was Monday. I held a position. I got like 110 pips. All I paid was like $6 in interest fees and made a lot. So you got to think about that too. Spreads for gold right now is like 2 pips, maybe, yeah, like 2 pips, 3 pips. Alright, I am getting out of this trade, guys. My stops to break even for these two. And for this one as well. So now I'm risk-free, can do whatever it wants. Because we broke past this structure on the 15. Seems like we're coming to retest a little bit here on the 15. So if we can continue down, that would be great. But if not, then I might continue up. So I'm going to close this lower position that I have. Well, I'm trying to. Alright, so I closed that one. Now let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Since I'm up about 15 pips, I'm gonna close some here. Close. Oh shit. I did not mean to close that much of the position. Oh well. That's okay. Wow. I really did not mean to close that much. Why can't I close it? It won't let me. Yeah, London should give us some good volume. And let's say that we break past this level here. We have all of this clean range to come all the way down to 2377. 76.5, sorry. So I'm just going to trail my stops. After it breaks here, because it looks like we could be pushing past. So yeah, we break past here. With volume, we'll have clean movement to push down because London opens in 30 minutes. So let's say we break past here. We have a lot of clean volume. I mean, clean range to come all the way down to like 2376.5. But I am going to oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Honestly, it took me a little minute. Patience-wise, I would say that I have really tried to pay attention to what time I take winning trades, what time there's volume in the market, you know, and being able to know the time. For one, that helps me be patient to say, okay, there's gonna be a lot of volume stepping in at this time. So if I'm in like a little early, like a consolidation area, like pre-London, I will know that it might take a little minute for some volume to start stepping in. I used to blow accounts left and right, I'm not even gonna lie. But then, you know, my mindset changed and I started holding on to accounts longer and longer. To be honest, I'm a little upset I closed that one position. I really did not mean to do that, but whatever. And also trading off of the higher time frame has really helped my trading psychology with, like, you know, less smaller movement candles. Because I feel like those smaller movement candles, like on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, really fucks with your psychology, bro. Like, big time. Okay, I'm gonna move my stops to above this level right here, 2381.46. So yeah, high time frame is so much better for psychology and the patterns that are created. It took me like 8 months to really figure that out. But I was trading with a group for a while, and that really helped me too. I feel like trading with other people and watching people trade live really helped me in the long run. We are approaching our take profit. Where was my entry? I think it was like right here. Yeah. Alright, yeah. So after we break past this zone, I'm gonna move my stops to 2380.5. If we do. There's this guy that also said, don't close your trades because you're in profits. Close your trade based off of market structure. So we have right here, we have a on the 30-minute time frame, we have a engulfing candle, 30-minute, right? That is a indication. We have a doji, we have an engulfing, and we created support here, and then we broke past it. So yeah, that's the thought process behind this trade. And it's at this 1 hour resistance level. We failed to break above it multiple times. We have 1, 2, 3 wicks. Yeah. I'm gonna close some more of this position, actually. Let's do that. I'm gonna close a 1, 2. So now I just closed more partials, and I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna move my stops already. Go ahead and move it up here. Because I don't really want this 30-minute candle to break its own high. Yeah, you don't want to close too early, you know, you missed out on so much unrealized profits. That's why I like day trading a little bit more. Yeah, I'm still short. I moved my stop loss in profits, so I'm pretty much risk-free now. I am risk-free. I literally, on this account, I think I lost like, I made 5% and then I lost 4% the next day. And after that, I was like, I cannot go back to these bad habits that I used to have of over-risking, over-leveraging, and shit like that. Yes, the results of my trade today. Yeah, my channel, my YouTube channel is still a little new. So the Trading Nut, he's been helping me with, you know, gaining followers and subscribers by using his YouTube channel because I won this challenge that he was doing with Blue Guardian. He likes the way I trade, so that's why I am here. It's like a 1 to 100, something like that. Let me double check for you. Hold on a minute. Yeah, it's like leverage up to 1 to 100. But let me see specifically for gold itself. Oh, sorry. The results of my trade today have been good. I did hit stops before getting back in, but I had a feeling that was going to happen, like it was going to take out the 1 hour high and then start rejecting. So I could have moved my stops a little bit higher. So that's probably my fault, that part. But I will be posting more information on my own YouTube channel. I bought this MT5 simulator that I bought from Raja Banks that I'm going to be back testing a lot with. He actually has his own videos on his own channel of back testing. So look at that. TP hit. Well, it's literally right there. Like, come on. You're right fucking there. You are right there. You are literally just right there on top of my take profit. Guess I should have done it a little bit higher in the take profit level to take spread in consideration a little bit more. But let's see here. I think I'm just gonna close it. I'm gonna take some more profits off the table. 1 second, 1 second, because we might get. I'm thinking about getting another entry. So London's about to open. If we can come back up here when this London candle opens, 2381, I'm gonna get back in. I'm gonna take another entry. Come back, retest this level. Oh wow, that was ugly. Come back, retest this level here to fill the rest of this range down. We could even go all the way down here. But this line is a daily level line, so said I closed that other entry. That was a total accident. What I'm gonna do here, since it's literally just a 0.07, I'm just gonna go break even with it. If I didn't close that other position, I would be back to like what I lost. Oh, sorry. Let me answer your question. Double check though, okay? I said 1 to 100, but just want to double check. Yeah, 1 to 100. Which is very good. Very good leverage. Actually don't even know the whatever broker they use. I don't even fucking know. I'm trying to find it. Normally when I go into a prop firm account or Something. Bro. Tell me what broker they use. Oh, they're partnering with 8cap. 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 Hold on a second. Let's take a look at what's happening here on the 15. So this is the 15, but this is the 1 hour. This 15 is pumping up pretty heavily because this was a gap fill. For me to go into buys, I need a better confirmation because right now I see sells. Our TP hit though. TP did hit. I targeted these equal lows here on the 30. Like this was a previous, these are equal lows, and it was also a previous break of structure because we had support and then we created resistance, and then this candle broke above here and then just kind of continued up a little bit, started losing momentum, losing volume around this area, around this resistance level on the 1 hour and the 30-minute. Let's see how this 1 hour closes though. If this 1 hour closes below here, then yeah. Oh god. Spray. I'm in the US. I'm thinking about going with Hanko trades because I would use Blackpool, but they don't accept people in the US. Gap fill. I'm sorry, not a 4-hour gap fill. That's a 4-hour retest. Break and retest. What's up, bro? Bro, how are you? I'm doing alright. I'm a little tired today. McFlash. Where do you live, man? If you're still here. I don't know if you are, but oh yeah, I'm break even, by the way. So I am break even. Jesus. I do see us coming down here though. But gotta see how it acts. Alright, well my break even just got hit. Oh well. Almost. One hour candle is opening soon. I'd like it more if this closed below here. Alright, so yeah, my break even got hit. Break even is out. Yeah, Henko Trades takes US traders. I've used them before. I'm in the US. I'm gonna go back to them. Back to Henko Trades. Yeah, we are bullish now, seems like. So I'm gonna see what happens at this this London Open. See what happens, baby. You know, it's crazy because I had buy limits placed here as well. I had TP here and I had buy limits, but I got rid of the buy limits. But damn, look at that. Beautiful. Sells straight into buys. Well, I don't know. If this 1 hour closes like this, man, I'm gonna get into some sales. But it looks like it's not. I think it's gonna close right here at support. But hey, we got a nice win. How many pips was that? That was... What's the math on that, guys? Me and math. 30 pips? Like 25 pips. Nice, nice. I didn't really want it to be a scalp, but let's see. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that though. The 1 hour is closing below here. It's not closing below this wick though, so I'm not too okay with that. We did create equal lows down here as well. Pretty much a double bottom here on the 1 hour, on the 5 minute. And here on the 15. Double bottom, double bottom. So we could take a buy, put stops below here, and target this daily high. So let's see. I'm not in yet. I'm not in anything. I'm in nothing. But this 1 hour closed below here, right? Alright. Let's grab a buy. Alright, I'm gonna take a buy now. Okay, not yet. Okay, so down here. Take a buy here, stops down here. Alright, I'm gonna take a buy and target these daily highs. Expecting London to give us that volume that we need. Oh, wait a second. I said that was my last trade. I don't think I'm gonna take another trade. Unless I see something. I have not. I can't trade gold with a lot of brokers for the US, which sucks, so I gotta find what works for me. If you're in Canada, I know Blueberry is a really good one. Blueberry Markets is very, very good. Tom Trades uses him. If you guys know who Tom Trades is, Tom Trades flipped. He made a $10 account into $100,000. Actually, no, $200,000 in a couple of months, I think. All right, take a buy. 30 pips. I would be risking 30 pips. So this like 0.7. Could come down to fill this wick first, or we could correct this entire move. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take a buy here, guys. And I'm just gonna put my stops below here. Oh. I feel like this 4-hour has potential to finish off this high. Now that we've came down to create grab liquidity. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into this trade. Right here. Targeting these highs. Good morning, my guy. I am in buys right now. 2381. See what happens. Alright, I'm probably gonna get off. Okay, so let me break down the trade before I get off. 30-minute close past resistance, but then the next 30-minute candle closed pretty bullish. We do have all of this down here, this range down here to fill first, so we could possibly come down here to fill it and then flip. And if that's the case, I'm going to have a buy limit. but we don't have any gaps down here, really, on the 1 hour. We have a gap right here, really tiny one right here. So yeah, this trade is taken based off of this 30-minute candle closing as such, after taking out this equal low right here. And I believe this was, no, that was, what was that? And yeah, I'm in a small trade, but I might just close and call it a night, to be honest. I told myself I wasn't supposed to take another trade after that win, but I don't know why the hell I'm in right now. Good morning, though. What's up, guys? But yeah, I'm about to get off of here, so let's say that we do come all the way up here and fill this daily wick. This is a daily wick. This would be a daily wick fill. Okay, this is not it. But yeah, so this is a daily wick fill. That's what my trade is based off of before we start potentially coming down. But this is also where little supply zones, so we could see it just start coming down. But anyway, that is my trade. And let's say that it does come down here to fill this first, right? Did you know that trading less makes you be more profitable? Today I took too many trades. I already know it. I had 2 winning trades, and then now this trade, I don't know why I'm in this trade. I mean, I know why I'm in this trade, but I don't know why I executed it when I shouldn't have, because I already had a win for the day. Okay, that's wrong. Yo, we got Jerome speaking again and some CPI volume. Alright, so we just created a resistance on the 15. Okay. Hold on. Something. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. See something. We're coming down to 2370. Anyway, I'm actually gonna go ahead and just jump out of this. I don't like it. I shouldn't have been trading. But I'm gonna go ahead and play the damn thing. Yeah, I just jumped out of that because I don't like that. I actually got into just, some cells again. Yeah, so here are some coupon codes, you guys. This is how we always end the stream. I did have a 25 pip win, and then I just closed here for like a really tiny loss because I shouldn't have been in there anyway because I already won. So anyway, 3, 2, 1.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
I'll see you guys later. You guys could put sell stops below 2378.31, and that could be a good sell stop entry if it does break that low. But I will see you guys next week. I'm not trading tomorrow. I am heading to the beach this weekend. Stay safe.